I would just like to converse to my audience. Hindi ako ho yung bombastic na, well, not really the kind that you'd maybe think. At before I forget, yung nag-introduce sa akin is really an Ilocano. Pareho kaming istorya niyan, mga early settlers sa Mindanao. Si Senator Pimentel, his ancestry is Ilocos Norte. Maraming Ilocano pumunta doon, early 30s, then after the war. Davao is a melting pot. Kaya kami nakakaintindi ng Ilocano if yung makinig kang mabuti kasi mga kapitbahay namin doon, Ilocano, anak ni Atty. Borja, the late Atty. Borja used